So you're looking to find products that you want to sell for drop shipping, but having a hard time finding it, right? Well, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find those top selling products that are already selling so you can sell them too. What's up, guys? My name is Trev here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find these top winning products that are already selling out there, on how to find them, and so you can also put them on your dropshipping store or website, and you can also sell it too. So the first thing I did is I went to Facebook just like this. Okay, and what I did was I went right here in the search section right here, and I put in get yours now. Now, as soon as you do that, and you just simply click the mouse right next to it, or as soon as you start typing, you'll see get yours now free shipping, get yours now 2022 50% off. Now these are already things that people are typing in. Okay, so this should already be a given for you to just simply go ahead behind and start simply typing this in or start clicking it, because this is already what's working out there. Okay, and it's a very easy way to find out what people are already out there selling. All right, so the first thing is what I've done is I pressed get yours now with free shipping. Now, the reason we want to press this is because a lot of drop shippers, they already sell their products and they try to incentivize with free shipping. So that's exactly what the path that we're going to follow. So I'll put yours, get yours now with free shipping. And as you can see here, we're just going to go to videos. Okay, and you can just tell by the views. Okay, now this is what I would do. I would look at how long this video has been running, number one, or when was it posted, to see how many all of these views. And so I would just go after the top ones with the top views. Okay, and right here, as you can see, we got 36,000 views here, 1.6 thousand views, 414,000 views, 58,000 views. You get the idea. You can actually go here all day long and scroll down and see all these different products that people are drop shipping just by scrolling, and it can go on and on and on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select one of these products, and I'm just going to select this one right here. And as you can see, this one right here is video. Video always sells best. And they are selling car covers, car seat covers for dogs. As you can see, the video right here is selling right away. It gets right into it. It shows you what the product is. You can see the likes over here, the comments, the views. And so what we can do is we can actually press the comments right here and just see what people are talking about. Right? Because if we want to sell this product, we need to be in the minds of the customers. We need to see what they're talking about, what questions they're asking, if they like it, if they don't like it. Because the last thing you want to do is you want to sell something that people are not even going to buy, right? So this is a great idea to just jump right in to see what somebody else's success is already looking like. So we're just going to scroll down here. Any extra large size for a dually truck. Now, immediately, you know that customers want an extra large. All right, so that's something you got to think about when you're selling yours. Does this fit for a truck? So obviously all of this is feedback, guys. All right, people are asking it for extra larges, they're asking it for trucks. Okay, so if you thought about, oh, people only with cars are gonna buy this, now you got another thought coming. Okay, this is why we do the research that we're doing. So we can just continue going down, down, down. And as you can see, love this bar, any openings for the bottoms. Okay, so now we know people are looking for opening for the bottoms. All right, yes, there is. They replied, and as you can see, this is the good feedback that we're getting right here. You can see the newest. We can see all comments here. 17 more comments, and you guys can just scroll and scroll and just read. And this is just one product that's out there selling like this. Let's go to another one. We'll go down to the next one. 58,000 views, free shipping. This seems like a little makeup thing. And they have these little sponges here, right? And they got 90 likes, 9 comments. Let's go ahead and see what the comments look like. Cool, top, very good. People seem like they liking it. 58,000 views. Okay, and now out of 58,000 views, they only got 90 likes. I wouldn't know about this product, about selling this one too much. Either that or they targeted the wrong audience. We can scroll down now. We see 20,000 views here. Look at this, 506 likes, guys. Look at this, a mat for the sand. It seemed like it's a mat or something, a cloth that the sand on the beach goes right through it. That's amazing. You don't know how many times people go to the beach, like yourself, like myself, that we actually go on the beach to have a good time, and the sand gets right on top of the mat, and now you're laying in the sand. You just got out of the water. The sand is all over you. How cool would it be that the sand actually goes right through the cloth? That's amazing. Okay? And now look at this. 506. Oh, no, we don't want to add any friends. But okay, but you can actually see the people there. And 56 comments. Like, look at this. Let's go to the newest. People are loving it. People are liking it. Look at this. This is amazing. Ordered one. Look at this. People, this is the proof right here. Ordered one. Let's see if it really works. It'll be great for the beach if it does. This is amazing. Like, this is great. I would buy this. Because who wants sand all over them at the beach? This is amazing. So this is the type of products that you guys got to be out there looking for, okay? This is the type of research you want to do beforehand, before you start going out there and selling products that you don't know that's going to sell. This right here is nothing but feedback for you guys, so you guys can go out there and start making a killing with this, okay? So as you can see, 20,000 views, 56 comments, 506 likes, and you can see the copy right here. Don't you just hate it when sand go all over your beach? Yes, we do hate it. This is great. Like, these people right here are killing it. So what we want to do here is we just want to see what this is. So I'm wondering if they have a link. Maybe we can click the link, the money saving store. Get yours now. Let's see, where's the link so we can click this. See more. Okay, here we go. We're gonna click the link here, guys. Oh, look at that. It doesn't work. So this is all we want right here. So what I'm doing is I'm going into their URL, and I just want to get what the product is. It's called the sand beach mat. All right, and what we're going to do is we want to go to AliExpress right here. We want to paste that in, sand beach mat, and look at it. It's right here. And now we just got to find the one that actually shows that the sand goes through it. And as you can see the people's hand. This is clearly an indication that that's the actual product. I'm going to press play here. And that seemed like it's it. This video, guys, you really don't want this type of video. It doesn't tell the person anything. You really want a video of the sand actually going through the mat. You know, people want to see this on video. They don't care about it being opened up. But this is actually the product right here, guys, okay? $9.77, okay? So now that we have the product, now I'm going to make the next video is going to show you guys how exactly to structure this $9.77 product into an empire using this one web page that's already done for you guys, that all you have to do is post this product, post the pictures, and voila, you can start selling today. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to watch the next video of me showing you guys how to set this product up on that webpage so you guys can start making a killing today, right now. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'll holler at you guys later.